Hey, welcome to my video, Affiliate Marketing on YouTube for Beginners. Is this right for me? Now, maybe if you're watching this video, you're thinking, I've heard about affiliate marketing on YouTube. Maybe I'm looking at learning how to do that. Maybe you're kind of new and you're trying to figure out if this is going to be a good fit for you. Well, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to talk about some of the pros and cons, talk about a little bit about ranking videos, talking about certain recommendations, and just some things that maybe you aren't going to hear from someone who's just simply trying to sell you a course. And then, as you probably know, you're not going to learn everything in this video about affiliate marketing, all in one video. So make sure to like and subscribe, and even comment below with any questions that you have, and I can make some other videos on that content. All right, let's go over a couple of quick truths for you. Things that, again, you're probably not going to hear from someone who's trying to sell you something. So number one is this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, sometimes people think I'm just going to get a couple of links, I'm going to put them out there, and then everybody's going to buy all this stuff from me, and I'm going to get rich. Not going to happen that way. Now, it takes work. It takes putting in the work and spending some time, but if you will do that and be disciplined about doing that, you'll see some good results. One of the things I really love is I have a family and I like playing with my kids and seeing my phone go off and tell me that I just made $300-400. So one thing affiliate marketing is good for is for those who maybe want a little more time freedom, and I don't mean that you're going to sit on a beach in Bali and work 30 minutes a day. I'm not talking about that. What I'm talking about is a lot of affiliate marketers and people I know want to be able to wake up when they want to wake up. So maybe you don't want to wake up till 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, but you're still disciplined enough to carve out however long you need during the day to work on the things you need to work on. Maybe you have a loved one at home and you need more flexibility in your time, then affiliate marketing could be a really good option for you. All right, so one of the things you're going to need to know to get started is you're going to have some kind of affiliate product that you want to promote. That's one of the great things about affiliate products is you don't have to go make them or fulfill orders, none of that. You just need to get the word out about the products. So a couple ideas on picking an actual product or two to start promoting is you want to make sure that you can stand behind the product. If it is a product that has to do with fishing and you know nothing about fishing whatsoever, and you've never fished before in your life and you can't really talk about that, then that's going to be a little more difficult as opposed to if you are a painter and you know all about different brushes and different types of paint, you're going to do better at promoting a product like that. Another thing I'd recommend is that you go with a product that can bring you $100 per sale or more, and depending on the lifetime value of that product, if you had a smaller one but people pay reoccurring over and over every month, so maybe they pay $25 a month and they usually last with that, whoever the company is, they usually last for 5 months, then there's your $100 right there. So you want to have at least $100 because when it all is said and done, if you're going to make a sale, you might as well make as much money from that sale as possible. So don't shortchange yourself on that. Another thing is you don't have to be completely knowledgeable about the product as long as you're willing to become knowledgeable. So there's some digital products out there, maybe a landing page software or something else. Maybe you need to get a free version of that software and download it and play around with it for a few days. And then once you do that, you've got some knowledge that other people who have not done that have. And you can start to talk more about the product. You can educate yourself is probably a good way to say that. So if you're willing to educate yourself on a product, learn more about it, then that's okay to go with a product like that. Paralysis of analysis happens if you're waiting around too long trying to weigh everything out there. Just go ahead and start off. Oftentimes your first one or two may not be the best thing, and you'll learn, but that's part of education in all of this is you're gonna make mistakes. Be okay with that and just keep moving forward. So if you're completely new to all this, I'll recommend two products for you. First product is going to be Affiliate Tube Success Academy. This is one I learned how to rank all my videos on YouTube with. And this is from a guy named Paul Murphy. He's a really stand-up guy. I like him a lot. And I've been able to make good money using his course. And basically the course is called Affiliate Tube Success Academy. And it teaches you how to rank your videos on page 1 of Google and your videos towards the top of YouTube. So I'll put a little link below. Another one that you can check out is called Groovesell, and that is with Filsame. And they have a whole suite of all kinds of different products. They're launching 2020 through a bunch of different series of things. And this one's really cool because you can start off at $700, I think is what it is. If people are paying monthly on it, you just keep getting a reoccurring commission monthly. So you can really make a good amount of money. And they also have a grandfathered tier program where if they sign somebody up under that, you can also get locked into that and be making some good money that way too. So again, they're called Groovesell. They have a suite of Groove Video and Groove Mail, all these different things. It's another good product. I'll put that in the description and comment section below too, in case you want to try one of those out. All right, so let's talk for a minute, because this is YouTube. Let's talk about making video content. Now, if you're on YouTube, you've got to have a video. There's two types of videos you can make. You can either have a talking head video like this, where you're actually talking about the product or service. And then you can also do more of a slideshow or kind of B-roll style video where you're not a talking head. Maybe you just have images on a screen. I've seen people do this with like floor lamps and for restaurants and all kinds of different products. So you don't have to be on the video. I do find that if you're on video and you're talking and you're just being real with people, people tend to like that. So I would recommend that you do that, and it may take you a little time to get used to it, but just understand that nobody really cares about your appearance. Nobody cares about a lot of those things. What they want is you to help them solve a problem. So just keep that in mind if you're nervous at all about making videos. And I plan to make some more content about how to actually make the videos themselves. Another quick tip here is that you want to give them a reason to stick around for over 50% of the video. So the next thing is that you want your videos to rank on YouTube, right? So when you put a video on YouTube, you want it to be seen whenever somebody types in whatever keywords that they're looking for. So think of your videos almost as though they're little worker bees. The bees are flying out there and they're making money for you and bringing that money back to the hive. So you want your videos to be created, then you want them to be uploaded to YouTube. You want them to be worded properly so that when people type in a certain term, like you found this video, I'm sure, they type in that term and they find your video about whatever the product or service is. Not to beat a dead horse, but this is a lot of the stuff I learned from Paul Murphy's course that I mentioned earlier, Affiliate Tube Success Academy. He really goes into the guts on how to do that. So if you're not familiar with that, I suggest taking a look at his program. All right, so those are a few things you need to consider if you are a beginner to affiliate marketing on YouTube. Again, it goes much, much deeper than this. I'm going to be making some more video content. So again, make sure to like and comment and subscribe. If you have any specific questions that you want me to do a video on, put those below, and I'll try to make some video content on that specifically. I hope that was helpful for you. Make sure to take a look at some of the videos that are about to pop up on my end screen, and let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to answer those for you.